Hello students, today I am going to explain you about heterogeneous solutions. In that suspension I am going to give you a clarity. So what is suspension? Suspension is a heterogeneous solution which we can see the particles are not completely dissolved. Here I have considered a suspension which I have mixed chalk paste powder in the water. We can see the particles with our naked eye. Now I am going to give you a clarity related to the properties of suspension. First property of suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. And second thing is particles of the suspension can be seen with our naked eye. Third property of suspension is the particles of suspension scatters the beam of light and the beam will be visible with our naked eye. And let me give you a clarity related to it. See, when I am going to have the laser path passing through this, you can see the path is visible in the suspension. Path visibility inside the suspension. Path can be seen clearly. That is a property of suspension. It is because of the scattering of the light through the particles. Scattering of light through the particles. The particles already presented inside that. It is called scattering of light. It is because of the scattering of light. The particles are settled down after some time. We can separate these solute particles by the filtration method. We can separate all these solute particles from the suspension, but it is not possible in the solutions. In the solutions, we cannot see any scattering like this. But these are the suspensions, that's why the light can be seen clearly. If we keep the suspension undisturbed, after some time, all the solute particles will settle down. After all the particles of suspension settle down, if we incident the light passing through the suspension, we cannot see the path seen inside the suspension.